Here's a pair of the JLab JBuds Mini Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. You want to factory reset these if you're having problems connecting or pairing, or one side's not working, or one side volume's lower, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's out of lip sync, and so on. Anyway, factory reset's very simple. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Okay, go ahead and make sure the buds are in the case. Close the lid. Now go ahead and open it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tap each bud 7 times. 7 times here, 7 times there. As soon as we do it 7 times, we should get like 4 blue lights rapidly blinking. Okay, we have to do both of them. We'll do it together right now. Okay, we'll start on this one here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, blue, blue, blue. Okay, now this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blue, 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 blue. 4 times. Now, when I pull these out, they should automatically be in the pairing mode. So the factory reset is already done. So give it one moment. Now see, we'll know it's in pairing mode if one of the buds is blinking blue, white, blue, white. Okay, so the factory reset is done and it's currently back in the pairing mode. Now here's the thing, I was previously paired to this iPhone here. Now if I want to pair back to this iPhone after the factory reset, I need to go to my Bluetooth settings. So just go to settings and tap on Bluetooth. And then you can see I was paired before here. The JLab's right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the eye here, the settings, and I'm going to forget this device. Basically delete it. If you're on an Android phone, it'd be unpair. Okay, so I'm going to forget. And now I can go ahead and go back and pair it. Okay, so that little searching thing is searching for devices in pairing mode. It's still in the pairing mode. I see it blinking blue, white there. Maybe I took too long. Let me just turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on to rescan. And give it a moment here. Still in blue. Oh, there it is right there. So I can connect back to this same iPhone again if I wanted to. And voila, we're back in business. Pretty simple.